Digestion is the mechanical and chemical breakdown of food into smaller components that are more readily absorbed into the bloodstream. It is uniquely designed to turn the food you eat into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. First, it goes through the mouth, which is conformed by the pharynx, the tongue, and the salivary glands. Then it goes through the esophagus, passing through the diaphragm. It reaches the stomach, and during this process of chemical and mechanical breakdown of food in the stomach, the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder take action. These are sort of accessory organs, which help the nutrient extraction and the avoidance of intoxication. After this process, it passes by the small intestine through the duodenum and the remainder of the small intestine, or through the large intestine through the vermiform appendix, the cecum, ascending colon, depending colon, transverse colon, sigmoid colon, and finally gets out of the body through the rectum.
We're gonna start with the mouth, the opening through which an animal or human takes in food, pharynx, the tuber cavity with its surrounding membrane and muscles that connects the mouth and nasal passages with the esophagus, salivary glands, enial glands as the submaxillary glands to secrete saliva, tongue, function in eating, in tasting, and in humans in speaking. Esophagus, in part of the alimentary canal between the pharynx and the stomach. Diaphragm, a muscular membranous or ligamentous wall separating two cavities or limiting a cavity. Stomach, an organ for storing, deloading, and digesting food. Liver, functioning the secretion of bile and various metabolic processes. Pancreas secretes a digestive fluid into the intestine through one or more ducts and also secretes the hormone insulin. The gallbladder, in which bile is stored and concentrated. The small intestine, where digestion is completed and nutrients are absorbed by the blood. Duodenum, the first portion of the small intestine from the stomach to the jejunum. Large intestine, the portion of the intestine that extends from the ileum to the anus, forming an arch around the convolutions of the small intestine and including the cecum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. Rectum, the comparatively straight terminal section of the intestine that ends in the anus.
Since people get salmonella food poisoning by ingesting contaminated food, the stomach and digestive tract are usually affected the most. The bacteria begin to live and grow in your stomach and intestine, which causes the nausea, diarrhea, and stomach cramping. Sometimes the bacteria can spread and begin to live in your bloodstream. If this happens, you may start seeing more serious and severe complications in other parts of your body.